Working together, Adam and Susan finish a certain task in 2 hours. Adam, working alone, finishes the same in 3 hours. How many hours does it take Susan to finish the same when working alone? The answer here is 6. Let's explore why. Let's go ahead and start by analyzing our information. We have Adam and Susan working together. They can finish something, some job in 2 hours. Adam working alone finishes that job in 3 hours. And so we want to know how many hours it takes Susan to work alone. So here's how I'm going to introduce this idea. I want us to just think about, look, if Adam and Susan together can finish in 2 hours, let's talk about how much they complete in 1 hour. So let's write it like this. In 1 hour, the amount of work that Adam gets done plus the amount of work that Susan gets done, that amounts to, well, let's think about it. If in 2 hours they get the whole job done, in 1 hour, then that means that they'll get half of the work done. Right? Because again, if they can complete the whole thing together in 2 hours, that means that in 1 hour together, they'll complete half the job. So let's see what we can fill in for, how much work they complete in 1 hour. Well, let's go ahead and look at Adam here. Adam working alone finishes the job in 3 hours. All right, so he completes the entire job by himself in 3 hours. So how much work is that if he does it alone in 1 hour? Well, a third of it. In 1 hour, he completes 1/3 of the job, because again, if it takes him 3 hours to complete the whole thing, 1/3 is what he can do in 1 hour. So now we just need to figure out, well, how much work can Susan get done in 1 hour? And then we'll basically see how long it'll take for her to complete that work on her own. So let's go ahead and just fill this in with S for Susan. And again, this is Susan's work in 1 hour. Susan in 1 hour. So now that we have that set up, let's just go ahead and rewrite the equation here. 1/3 plus S equals 1/2. And let's solve for S. Looks like we'll have to subtract 1/3 from both sides. And if we convert these to have like denominators, we'll have S equals 1/2. So 2 and 3 have a common denominator of 6. So we'll have 3 out of 6, 2 out of 6, giving us 1 out of 6. So Susan equals 1 out of 6. What does that mean again? What this means is in 1 hour, Susan completes 1/6 of the work. So I want to relate this nice and clear for you. If in 1 hour together they get half the job done, that means it'll take them 2 hours together. And that's what the problem says, right? If Adam can complete 1/3 of the work in 1 hour, that means it'll take him 3 hours to complete the whole thing. So if it takes Susan in 1 hour, if she completes 1/6 of the work, that means it'll take her 6 hours to do it alone. That's what that means. And so that's why 6 is the appropriate answer there, and that's why we're all good. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully that helps. Let us know if not.